Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to a new vlog and a new day. We're just at the services because Kerry needed a wee, as usual, for a journey that's only an hour and 45 minutes. And Rosie's hungry. Oh no, what's she seeing? This is going to be a collab vlog today anyway, so there'll be clips of mine and clips of Kerry's, and she can edit this one. Right, let's get some bits. Oh, you're not going to make that one. Well, we have made it to the NEC because we've come to go to
the Creative Show!
Just had a lovely chat with the security guard, Paul. Really nice chap. Give him 5 stars on TripAdvisor. We're going to nip here and hopefully get a coffee, and then we're going to get in this queue before the madness begins. He just said yesterday there was an oversale of tickets by 2,500.
Yeah.
2,500 extra tickets were sold.
People were kicking off.
So people were kicking off and not being able to get in, basically. That's crazy, isn't it? Absolutely crazy. I didn't get a snacky snack before.
I've got some fruit. Oh, tripped over on pants. I've got some fruit if you want some fruit.
Fruit?
Oh, I ate the saxy amount. I've got some pineapple.
Pineapple.
And I've got a Belvita finger.
Oh, thank you.
Not all of
Pineapple man. All of it.
it. No, not all of it. Somebody's very keen for a coffee. I've not even got the shutters up yet.
Are you looking forward to it, Kerry?
Yes, very much so. That's too close to my face, though.
Oh, you got wrinkly hands.
Everyone has lines on the hand.
So you think it's just us guys? Well, you probably don't actually. They're probably going to be in the thumbnail. We are meeting some friends here as well. It was actually Jess that had invited Kerry.
It was, yeah.
I don't know. You didn't know about it. Where's the queues? They normally just cram everyone in. It's getting busy. Not quite as busy as the motorbike show.
Well, it was yesterday, mate.
Yes, I was saying before that yesterday it was. What's that? It's a bit busy. Like I say, this is more Kerry's content, so most of the video today, well, vlog today, will be coming from Kerry. I've just seen something at the back, and that is where I'm going.
Food and bar?
Yeah, food and bar. It looks like Kerry's driving home. Well, at least she'll get to drive the S5 properly for the first time. She had a go of it the other day. But she literally picked it up from the pub.
You left it there?
Yeah, I left it at the pub.
And you couldn't be bothered walking up getting it and sent me to go and get it?
Basically, yeah. Well, yeah. Rosie is going to be in her element here. And normally she takes ages getting ready. But I offered her some money to be ready by 6:25 so we could set off on time. And she was ready.
I think we've been anywhere where they have not been there.
Did you actually realise that these are actually based in Hyde?
Yeah.
Like the owner, I'm pretty sure he lives in G.
Yeah, I know, I've seen the van, yeah.
So they're based in Hyde.
Yeah.
I'm sure you get some cheese off them.
They do some very good cheese, so I was going getting cheese. Rosie spotted something super, super cute, and I can't not get them. Look at these. How adorable are they? Little sewing machines.
Look at the Spider-Man ones.
And that's what Rosie's got. They're so cute. I've got quite a few because I can't decide on colour, but also I'm going to make some for my mum as well because I've got the little hoops. So yeah, I'm going to make some for my mum too.
No full English breakfast here. Even the bar's not open yet. I hope Kerry's having more fun than me. But they're doing burgers at 11, so I'll be back at 11.
Look how cute are those.
I like
Those little mushrooms.
This one.
I didn't see those when I was looking.
Aren't they cute?
That one and the bear.
These are adorable. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, look at the apple hair clip.
No, that's what I meant.
That's adorable. Right, now I'm really in my element. Look at these. Oh, that is so cute. Oh my god. Oh wow, these are amazing.
Look at the food.
That's cool. He's still at the cheese stall. What's he doing? He loves cheese. Should call him Wallace. Ooh, oh, it's making this, so it's making this hand. How cool is that? Could watch that all day.
She's filming it! She's filming it! Hello!
Oh my god, it's influencer.
Found another cheese stand. And they're not doing breakfast. Bonus. That one's really nice. That one looks spicy. Who's a big back?
You go to the food stalls.
Yeah, that's a pizza. That's a pizza one.
Tomato and basil, yeah.
That was really nice, that one.
Is it okay if I try some?
Cranberry. I like the cranberry. You don't like cranberry cheese?
I'm going to try some.
Yeah, you have to get a little stick. Hello. They caught me.
2,000 years later.
Now it's melted in pasta as well.
I love a sweet cheese. She doesn't. But I love a sweet cheese. That one's lovely. It's got like a crunch in it as well, hasn't it? That's insane. That is really, really nice. Wow. That is like a dessert. It is really caramelly. My vlog's just going to be all about cheese now. So you've got a website. Can you order it online? On the Facebook page. So look them up on Facebook.
That's so cool. Look at that. Wow.
Look at the scoop.
I've just seen this. How gorgeous is this? It's so pretty. Oh, beautiful beads on it. Beautiful stones.
Finally found somewhere to get some food from. I wish I would have brought a packed lunch.
Gold mine.
Yeah, yeah. Honestly, honestly, bacon, sausage and egg muffin and a coffee.
Yes. Right,
Well,
comment.
guess. Yeah, comment. How much do you reckon it is?
Jesus. Go for a meal for that.
I
What are
know.
the mains?
Well, not my meal. I eat quite a lot, as you can tell. But that's insane. Never mind.
Lots and lots and lots of beads. Rosie loves beads, don't you, babes? So whimsical. Look who it is! Hi, mate! Machines. We love machines. Mmm. I've just found. It's the strawberry thief. Keep seeing that everywhere all of a sudden. I'm sure I've never seen it before until recently. Beans.
That's all you get. Yay.
criminal.
Do a picture.
Yeah, we all know about taking off.
They're very smiley.
Go on.
Alright, and don't I lift that? That mummy.
That's beautiful.
How do I lift up?
Very
the foot
artistic.
pedal?
So proud. So many embroidery machines, and I really want one. I'm going to start off with the smaller one, I think. Saw one that was £12,000. Don't think I'm getting that one. That's amazing, look at this. Wow. It's all done with like yarn, isn't it? Oh, someone's actually doing it right now. That's amazing. Some more here too. Ah, so these are prints. Oh, cool. So this is a print. Wow. So pretty. This one too.
Just been wandering around having a look, and I've just found some manly products. These two beautiful young ladies have managed to sell me some pretty cool things actually. So magnetic bowls for putting all my nuts and bolts in. I would have found something with like that I can use as a mechanic, even though I'm not a mechanic. And also a telescopic magnet with a light on it, so I can actually get my spark plugs, I know spark plugs I'm talking about, out of the heads. But look at this. How easy was that?
Designed in Italy, manufactured in Italy in 1952. Release, pull and take your meal. But then if you wanted to add, you know, when a lot of ladies do multiple strands, if they're doing embroidery, you can put as many strands as the eye of the needle will take.
See, that's something I struggled with when I've done hand embroidery. I spent ages just trying to get multiple, yeah. Oh, that's cool.
And then the big ones at the other side, which I didn't show you. I was trying to do a shortcut.
Look at that.
Cool.
That's
And it
really
will do
cool.
and rhythm.
How easy is that? Oh, that's their details there.
Oh, Jess, look at the fur. Oh my gosh, I'm gravitating. It's pulling me in. I think this suits me. Rosie,
Yeah.
I think we are slaying it today.
God, I hate you.
I love it. I'm drawn in by this. What is this? Is that part of this? Oh, right, no. Oh, wow. Oh, that is so glamorous. Very diva. I like that. Deep sea diver. Jeans. I feel like, you know, like the guys when they see like a digger or something, and I see a sewing machine, like, machines!
Yeah. I literally ran to Brother before.
Oh yeah, I need to go over there. Yeah. Definitely. Sewing machines, overlockers and embroidery machines they're mine and Jess's diggers. So many embroidery machines. They're everywhere. I love them. Oh. Brother, you know I like Brother. Like my Brother machines. My feet are aching already, I don't even know why.
That's a good one. I know, I keep asking Nathan for one.
That is a really good. Should have got Tom. We should have got Tom and Nathan to pull us round in it. Right, Jess is very kindly trying out this brow powder. That, God, it's like the perfect length as well. Yeah. Wow, that looks really good. It really does. It looks really natural.
Does it last all day?
It does. It's smudge-proof and waterproof. Child-proof.
Childproof. You were like a magpie to that then, Jess.
I love a bit of gingham, me.
Love. I've just bought a load of red
I
gingham.
want to make loads of like flary pants.
Yeah. They're dead in those as well at the minute, like wide leg with a little frill along the hem.
Some literally like that. And now I want them in every colour.
Every colour, why not?
Rainbow.
£5 a metre, not bad that. Not bad at all. We love Dookie. I love my Dookie. Noodlefelding. Bones. Obsessed with bones. Rosie, look at the little wooden... Found the strawberry thief again. Keep seeing it everywhere. Oh, hang on. So this isn't the strawberry thief. This is what me and my mum were calling the flower thief when we were at Abercarn's. Definitely be back for that. I need to bring my mum as well. Mother, you're coming with. So Tom's very surprised because he actually came out with some manly items, as he's calling them.
More stuff than actually you bought, I think.
You have? Yeah. You were moaning at me. You've spent more money than me, I think.
He bartered at every store.
I bet he did. I bet he
got some
did.
decent discounts. It's magnetic. So you can put your nuts.
Oh, we're
and
getting a
bolts in.
demonstration now. Oh, okay.
The water's not magnetic.
Water's gone flying.
This. That's a bit of a crap magnet, isn't it?
What's the point in that?
That's a magnet that extends. So,
What for?
Screwed, you can't be bothered to pick it up. Is that
well, if you drop anything in your engine bay, there you go.
All right, okay,
But
fair enough.
Not only you could
Why have
get
you
one,
got 3 of those?
got another one. Because this one,
It's mine.
that's a lie.
I don't.
Oh, God.
That's all. So you can get your spark plugs out.
Okay.
Not only that,
Oh, gosh, there's more.
I got cheese.
I
lots
got
of
cheese.
Salted caramel cheese.
Interesting, controversial,
Fit in your little magnetic
Basil.
dish as well.
aka pizza cheese.
Pizza cheese. It does actually taste like pizza. I've had to keep it away from Jess, so Jess was trying to steal it.
Yeah, Jess is the cheese thief. Or trying to be.
And
Did you not get the
chives.
caramelised onion one? Oh, and the garlic one.
I could have had them all.
I would have done that.
Oh, I'm such a noob. Tom's just made me realise that I didn't even get a clip of us all saying goodbye. And then I said, well, give me your clip. He said, well, I didn't either. This is your vlog, Kerry.
Yeah, I don't think she's going to use any of my content that I've created today.
Why? Why not?
Because I just went eating sandwiches and cheese. I spent like hours talking about cheese.
I'm going to do a montage of you just eating
I don't.
all the food. Put some good music to it.
But I got goodies.
You did get good.
I actually come out with more than Kerry.
He did. Yeah, he did. No, it was really good fun though. I'm a bit gutted that I didn't film. I should have filmed a little bit more really, but I don't feel 100% comfortable actually filming out and about in the wild. I feel like a bit of a wally.
Wally Walrus.
A wally walrus, yeah. So I don't know how this vlog has turned out. We'll find out as I've done the
good day,
editing.
though. It's been nice.
It has. It's my
Nice
feet
little
are
catch
aching
up.
though. Oh, it was lovely to see them and have a catch up. Yeah, it was great. It did start to get a little bit too busy, and I felt like me and Jess couldn't really talk too much because then Rosie had had enough as well.
Well, yeah, it's hard with the kids as well.
So, yeah.
Well, with Rosie.
Yeah,
Kept
yeah.
on going missing.
And she kept on wandering off.
Had to keep on beeping her phone to find out where she was.
Yeah. It's been a great day. It's been a lovely day. So now we're going to head off home,
Yeah, find some
aren't
food.
we? Find some food. We're going to go foraging
Yeah, it's like a 2-hour
bushes
drive,
for a-
so by the time we get
for a
home,
roast dinner.
I'll be hungry again.
Come on, Rosebud.
But I've got some cheese.
So we
cheese snack.
get back for the dog. We need to see Lucy because she'll be at home now, and go from there. Probably watch a movie. I don't know. So I might end the vlog here. Might not. I don't know yet. We'll find out. Really well, NEC. It's been emotional. My feet are aching now, and my back's aching, and I'm thirsty, and I'm hungry. I need a brew. You're gonna make me a Mother's Day brew, Rose?
No.
But you're good at them. Make a cracking brew, you do.